Mate, this is the school at its worst. Look at that! Look at them, look at the Spanish kids. Oh! Yeah, I recorded that! I got that! I got that on camera too! Massive, look at this guys, look, this is dried and that's just a pond. Go on Daddy! Go on Daddy! Slide! Oh, I can't believe you fell over, that's one of the funniest things ever. Look, I'm going to attempt to jump that. I'm going to do it with the camera in my hand. I'll do it with the camera in my hand.
What if you drop it?
Then I'm fucked, ain't I? Yeah.
Got it.
Don't even know if I'll...
Can your legs stretch that far?
I don't think they can. We've done it! Run and jump.
We've already done this.
Oh, if he can do it, I can do it.
Go on, Rickson!
Go on, Rickson!
Go on, Sean!
I can't do that.
Go on. Record yourself while you're doing it.
I'm not doing that.
How are you going to get out of it to go home?
What is he doing? Trig's watching us. Trig is...
What is he doing?
How are we? If we drown, you can save us.
Run and jump, Jake.
Oh, move!
What's he doing? How's he going to attempt this puddle? Oh, like a boss!
Does
He must have plenty of...
and give me a piggyback across?
No, you can ask him.
Ask it. Look, he's soldiering it, Ian. Go on, Sean, run and jump. I mean, Kyle, run and jump.
Go on, Kyle.
I'll be able to make it.
Oh! Smells though.
Do you walk?
He jumped. He ran and jumped. Go on, Kyle.
I'm not. I've already slipped over.
Say hello to the camera.
Where's Kyle? Where's Danny's going?
I'm still recording.
Danny jumping it.
Go on, Danny. Like a...
Go on, Danny, and again. Like a boss, Danny.
Like a boss, Danny. Go on.
Yeah, this is a lift up video, this is. Go on.
Sean, move!
Oh! He's only gone and made it.
Go on, you do it.
Go on, look at video yourself jumping.
I'll record you doing it. Do it.
I'm gonna jump,
Go back to this. Look at
I made it, guys! I made it! I made it!
Who else is jumping it?
Let's go have a look at the waterfall, come on!
Someone's sliding down the waterfall!
Oh!
Slide down it with me!
Sean, the badass!
God! Wait!
Look at that boss! Go on, Sean!
Oh, yeah! Like a boss!
Clap him on!
Why are we going to our lessons still? Can't they turn the school?
Oh my God, look over there!
Are you going down there?
Wait!
I'm going down there!
I ain't going through. Why are you going through that?
Look at him! Look at that ball! Come on, Nugget! Caleb!
Go on, Caleb!
Look at that box! Yeah, why not? Look at Sasha, everybody! Say hello to the camera, Sasha! Say hello!
You saw the roof! road over there, mate. Just...
Go on, let's go take a look. Dun, 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 dun. I feel like Crystal Maze. What?
You know where there's like steps down there, go to the food room?
Yeah.
It's like a pool.
Yeah, look at that over there then.
Wait, I jumped. Oh, you know when you went? I was like, fuck that, I'm not standing here. I just went and jumped it. Wait, cut across here.
We're bossing it, guys. We're bossing it.
Yeah, we've got big knives.
Oh, my feet are getting soaked, guys. For your entertainment. Yeah. Look at that balloon over there. Been abandoned. Abandoned. Look at that. She's fell over. Look, cracked her head. Let's go have a look at her. She's cracked her head. Miss is stuck. How stuck are you, miss?
Yeah.
This lagoon.
Look,
Look at that.
seriously, I've never seen it like that.
I've not seen it either. Look at that. That's
yeah.
bad.
You know when we saw, I don't know if you remember back in America when Louisiana they got flooded.
Yeah.
Not so long ago. You know,
It looked like this.
You know if this had been on solid for a day, we'd be flooded out, wouldn't we?
Yeah.
Oh, I wish it was. That'd be sick.
Here come the fit girls. Here come the girls. Girls. Yeah, got to take a phone call. Yeah.
Oh,
Mrs.
how are we going to get down
Maston.
to the chippy with this?
Dunno. But are we gonna go recruit Sean and
Show her.
yeah.
So we get our man, yeah.
We're gonna go recruit boys.
What through them?
Jump! Look at that jump. Miss, what are you gonna do?
Sam, just look at it, gone all in the cookery rooms as well.
I think it has. Look in there.
It's actually gone.
It's all flooded in there, look guys. It is.
It actually is.
Look, miss, look at that. Look at that!
Oh my.
Look, the door's not supposed to be there, guys. But there's the window. Look at that, guys.
Come on away now.
Let's
Come
hurry.
this way. Come on, this
I want
way.
this balloon.
Miss, how are we gonna go?
No, come on.
Which way? Which way?
Come on. 'Cause we'll get them.
Oh look.
Come on.
Can we go to the library?
Yeah, right then. Just been told to go to the library.
Wait, look how high up the door is. What? How high water the door is.
Look at that.
Wait, look at the door.
It's mad, innit? Come on, say hello. This is a nuisance.
Come on. Look, if I die,
We've got to go to the library.
if I die, I love whoever's watching.
It's top of G block. Look, top of G block flooded. Did you hear that, guys? I don't know if I'm gonna make it out here. They should send us home.
Oh shit.
Do you want to hear the wise words of the Reese?
Who's coming? Go that way.
Go this way. I ain't going in that way. You seen how bad
Oh,
it
do you
is?
reckon Vill'll still be selling sausage rolls?
No, Bettville's flooded.
No!
Yeah, Ross. Listen to the riots, guys. We're hiding. Guys! He's raised his voice. We'll have to go when he's turned his head. We made it!
I need to go find Heffernan.
He's caught himself. Risky escape there, guys. Risky escape. I feel like Indiana Jones.
We look outside school.
We're gangsters though. Say hello to the camera, please.
Everyone's a bit wet. You're recording me?
Yeah, I'm recording the whole thing. I just had to give my balloon to this.
Aaron! Wait, is that Gibson? Aaron! I'm gonna die! I'm gonna die!
Been recording the whole thing.
Bad God, you seen it all flooded down there.
Yeah, we've seen it. You seen it?
Yeah.
We've seen it, ain't we?
You still recording?
Yeah. Let's have a look at Mr. Trigg with his shoes out.
So I got no shoes on.
You wait across there, you'll be
Yeah, I know what you're saying. How are we going to do this? How are we going to master this, Aaron?
I don't know. Bear Grylls and that. Ooh. Laura Croft shit, that is, Callum.
That is. That is. This is what you have been missing, Bryce.
It's fucking sick. Oh shit, look at the steps.
Waterfall, I know, we jumped it.
What the fuck? What the fuck?
And here we come again, here we come again.
Seen it down there? No, I mean down around there. You know the bit where there's
Where's Kyle?
It's flooded the wall and the doors are holding the water in. Oh shit.
We've got to go in the building again. Say hello to Cole.
Hi, mate.
Where's Kyle? Aaron, don't you dare! Oh my God! We've got to save our fellow friends!
Jack, hold on!
Don't go in there, there's a crocodile!
Can you lot go up to the library, please?
Connor, being a badass.
Can you lot go that way?
We have to find Kyle and Sean so we can go chip shop.
Oh yeah, we do.
We do.
We do.
We do.
We definitely do.
Let's go through here. We're still recording. We've got in. We're in. We're in, boys.
We're safe. Oh, we should have been given when he talks.
We found our fellow friends.
The survivors.
The survivors.
We found the survivors.
Paparazzi. I'm still recording.
That's for Sean.
We found him again. We've seen a Fran and an Owen.
Survivor.
We found you. Where's Owen? I mean, not Owen. Where's Caleb? There's Billy.
Where's Kyle and Sean?
Off to the library we go. We're going to the... Oh shit. I don't know what's going on.
I want to go to the...
We've been told a few different things.
I ain't staying in at lunch.
Same.
I'm going out.
Oh! We found the survivors!
Everywhere.
What's in there? Just boxes.
We all stood outside one of the signs.
Oh, no way.
Can't we go to one of the computers?
We've already been in here, Bryce.
I was next door.
She was next door.
Look at the field. I'm hungry.
Let's look at Ashmount.
It's coming through the window.
Coming through.
We should go in now.
Oh, don't push me on there.
Great escape, guys. Great escape. I'm gonna have to pee in my shoe. Humorous comment. Pause. Alien porn, says Josh.
How long have you been recording for?
30 minutes. 3 wise girls. There goes the bell, listen.
Nazmeen.
Yeah, Sharpie's much better.
Nazmeen.
There are no post-16 students.
Yeah, I'm post-16. I'm wearing my own clothes, man.
Very nice clothes. Olivia has my jacket. The woman outside. The recording has finished now, guys.
Nazmeen, where you
I'll see you on the other side.